Ecozoil Ghana Limited, a subsidiary of Zoom Lion Ghana Limited, has donated 200 life jackets to school children in Kitikrachi in the Krachi West district of the Oti region to enhance safety and prevent future boat disasters on the Volta Lake. The donation forms follows the recent tragic boat accident near Kitikrachi, which claimed 15 lives.
As part of the donation exercise at Kitikrachi West of the Oti region, the Ecozoil team sensitized residents on the importance of wearing life jackets and adhering to safety protocols when traveling on the Volta Lake. According to report from the Ghana Maritime Authority and the Auditor General's 2023 performance audit, 23 inland watercraft accidents were recorded between 2019 and 2023, resulting in the death of 34 people, despite an expenditure of over 94.77 million cedis being spent on safety interventions. Additionally, data compiled from media and maritime sources indicate that between 2021 and 2025, over 40 lives have been lost in boat accidents on the Volta Lake and other riverine areas, with about 90% of these accidents attributed to human error, poor enforcement, and lack of life jackets. In the most recent tragedy near Kitikrachi on October 11, 15 passengers, including 11 children, lost their lives when an overloaded canoe capsized on the Volta Lake. The team paid a courtesy call on the Oti Regional Minister, Mr. John Ejapon, to discuss the need for stronger collaboration in enhancing safety on the Volta Lake. The Business Development Manager of Ecozoil, Mr. Daniel Lamte, said the gesture was part of efforts to revive the Volta Lake Transport Safety Project, which significantly reduced lake accidents between 2012 and 2015 and again in 2021 after being suspended.
Unfortunately, when the project ended, it's not been renewed. But the guys were on the grounds until somewhere last year that we had to eventually pull them off from the grounds. And we can testify that between that time they've not been on the grounds, there have been countless accidents, which includes not only the Oti region, but other regions.
The Oti Regional Minister, Mr. John Ejapon, commended Ecozoil for the intervention and called for stronger enforcement of inland water transport regulations.
Ecozoil, Volta Lake Transport Safety. It's the name that covers everything. How safe are they? What do we use so that they can be safe? Not on the banks alone, but on the islands. I will be the #1 person to support that they sign a contract. If only you go by the rules and regulations that you are setting for yourself.
The National Coordinator of the Volta Lake Transport Safety Project, Ms. Uferiwa Annan, said the initiative implemented under the Ministry of Transport promoted safe travel and created employment for communities along the lake before the project was brought to a halt.
These are precious Ghanaians. They need to be protected, both public health-wise, safety-wise, and they need employment as well.
Ecozoil's donation and advocacy reaffirms its commitment to safeguarding lives and promoting responsible transport practices on Ghana's inland waterways, particularly for children and rural communities whose livelihoods depend on the Volta Lake.